When life starts pulling your attention in 100 different directions, there is a quiet truth that resets everything. This world was never meant to fully hold your heart. Keep your heart attached to the akhirah, because everything here is temporary decoration, and everything there is permanent reality. The money you chase, the approval you crave, the problems that feel like mountains today, they all shrink when you remember that your real home has not been built here. A heart attached to the akhirah still works in the dunya, still earns, still dreams, still loves, but it never gets trapped by it. It knows loss is not the end. It knows delay is not denial. It knows hardship is not meaningless. Every struggle becomes investment. Every patience becomes currency. Every sacrifice becomes light waiting ahead. And when you live like this, your anxiety softens because you are no longer trying to make a temporary place permanent. Instead, you start asking yourself daily, will this action matter when I stand before my Lord? That question quietly cleans your intentions, sharpens your choices, and frees you from noise that never deserved your heart in the first place.